Introducing the Vicks 3-in-1 SleepyTime Cool Mist Humidifier, Diffuser, and Nightlight. Create a comforting sleep environment for your little one. Add our lavender Vapopad for a soothing scent. Our Nightlight features muted, calming colors for a more restful sleep environment, transforming your nursery into a cozy sleep sanctuary. Wide tank opening makes it easy to fill and clean. You can add your favorite essential oil to the tank, creating a relaxing oasis. When your little one has a cough and is congested, using a humidifier can help provide relief for better breathing and a more comfortable sleep. Even when your child is well, maintaining a relative humidity level between 40 and 60% helps reduce the survival of flu and certain viruses in the air and on surfaces, providing year-round comfort. Trust in Vicks. We're here for you.